Hi, my name's Hayley and I'm 21 years old and I'm from Edenhope, Victoria. So my role at BioGrow is a graduate research officer. I basically run trials out in the paddock, all things agriculture, putting compost and all BioGrow's products out there to see what happens. I've completed all of my schooling at Edenhope College. It's a tiny little school. Yeah, so going through school, I didn't know what I wanted to do. There were times there when I thought I could be a dentist. I was getting braces and all that done at the time and I thought, oh yes, this is all right. Then I wanted to be a physio. I just was watching Dad doing training at the footy and thought, that looked all right too, but perhaps I could have been a trainer and not a physio. And then I wanted to be a vet, but I didn't want to go through uni and learn about the cats and the dogs. I just wanted to be out there with the cows and the sheep and the horses and skip all of the little pets and fluffy dogs. That wasn't me, so here we are in agriculture. At the end of Year 12, I went to the University of Adelaide and I studied a Bachelor of Agricultural Science, and that started in 2021, so peak COVID. Uni finished in 2023, so just last year, and I got quite a few academic awards in my time there. The one that I'm most proud of is the Peter Waite Medal. That goes to the person with the highest aggregate score at the end of their degree. I discovered BioGrow kind of by chance. I went through this mentor program at uni and my mentor told me that no one can tell you what you want to do, you've got to figure out for yourself. And I was at this point in my life where I needed to find something to do after uni. They had this big conference called Growing the Future at uni, and it's full of all the big companies like Elders and Nutrien, and I went there not knowing what I wanted to do, and I saw BioGrow and I went and had a chat, and I don't know, a few weeks later they called me up and said, do you want to come meet the team? And I said, yeah, okay. So here we are. Yeah, so another one that's happened by chance is running honours. I didn't really plan that into my agenda, but here we are doing honours as well. My project is based on using innovative soil technologies to improve the physiochemical constraints of alkaline soils. Alkaline soils are big problem in South Australia, and conventional agriculture has meant that we can still produce food on these soils, but we're not actually solving the problem. We're just living with the constraints, and I want to look at sustainable options to move past and improve these soils so that we're no longer masking the problems that they have. So I've got the Mortlock Bequest Scholarship, and that goes to honours students. It's based on their academic record, it's based on how devoted they are to agriculture, food and wine, and preference is given to people in their early stage careers in research, and if their project aligns with the strategic directions of the school, like sustainability and things like that. That's what the Mortlock Bequest Scholarship is, and it's going to be very helpful in my studies. I've been here 4 months and it's been there's so much variety in my job. I'm not sitting in the office every single day. I get to go out in the paddock and talk to farmers and run soil tests and do all these things that I'm learning on the job, and it's something I like to do. I like to just take everything in, and I like being able to go out there and just do what I want to do and learn what I want to learn and talk to people that are like-minded and wanting to learn with me. Like farmers, they're wanting to learn the same as what I'm wanting to learn, so that's really helpful. My advice to young people out there is that nobody can tell you what you want to do. You've got to find that out for yourself, and the best way to go about that is to talk to people. Go find out what people do, and like I came from a sheep background. All I knew was sheep. I love sheep, and here I am with BioGrow working with compost. It's out there. You can do whatever you want, but don't let anyone tell you what you want to do.